What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to see the float value of your skin and then also explain what that means in regards to like the wear and like what the ranges of float values are for that. So first things first, I'm going to go to one of my skins as an example here. Let's take a look at this one. So if I inspect it, first I'm on my inventory here, so just go to the left hand corner and then click on inventory. It'll be brought to here. So like for example like this. Right click on the item you want, click inspect, and then on the bottom you'll see this eye here, which is more information. If you just hover over it, you'll see the wear rating. Now that is the float value of your skin, and basically each wear has a range of float values. So like, for example, factory new is 0.00 to 0.07. And then minimal wear is 0.07 to 0.14. And like, the lower the float value is, the less wear will be on your skin. So like the lower that number is, the 0.1115, the less wear on your skin. Now for some skins it doesn't matter. Like for example, what's a good one? This one. You'll see that I have like a 0.15 float, which means this is field tested, but the lowest value, because field tested starts at 0.15. Yeah. And minimal wear goes from 0.07 to 0.14, like I said. So like that's what you want to do when you buy a skin. Buy it the lowest float in the wear class, kind of. So like this skin though, it doesn't really matter. You can't really see wear on the skin that much. But for example, this one is a factory new PP Bison. If I inspect it, you'll see it has a 0.02 wear. Now factory new is 0.00 to 0.07, so that's pretty good for factory new. But you can still see like there's some wear here at the top, a little bit right here. So if it was a little bit lower, like 0.01, maybe some of that would be gone. So like for some skins, it does actually matter. And yeah, that's why I recommend just getting the lowest value or the lowest float value for each wear class. Like, for example, this one, this is a factory new skin. If I inspect it, 0.01, and you can see the wear on this, and I had to get it low float because, you know, it actually shows wear. So, and then another example for the video here, minimal wear, the FAMAS. So this one's a 0.08, and like that's great for minimal wear because 0.07 to 0.14. So anyways, after field tested, I believe it's well worn and battle scarred, but I didn't mention those for the video too much just because like at that point there's so much wear on the skin, like it doesn't really matter if you're getting a low float or not. Like I say, after field tested, you're able to tell pretty much any skin. Like I know some of them really don't wear out, but they'll get visibly darker at that point too. So like there's a difference for everything. That's why I didn't mention it, but if you want to take a look, you can always Google it. Like for example, I have the website open right here. And if we take a look, it'll say 0.07 factory new. Minimal wear. Okay, so it goes from 0.15 to 0.38 field tested, and then that after that is well worn. And battle scarred is 0.45 to 1. So float goes up to 1. And when it's at 1, I would say pretty much the whole skin is scratched off. So pretty interesting to see skins like that. You know, some of them have high value that way. But I'm going to stop rambling, guys. That's float values in CSGO, how to see them and what they mean. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.